Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just most satisfying, is hands down incredible. Everyone is talking about it lately because it feels incredibly high quality. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it saves you so much time, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last, fits smoothly into your daily routine, and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal before it sells out everywhere. Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best